Year 2023, month of August. This is the first in a series of for Cobol called Better Know a Cobol Keyword. I have respect for this language, its creator Grace Hopper, and its focused use. If you want to get into it, try checking out learn.ibm.com. They finally got around to teaching a new generation of Cobol programmers. It has been said that Cobol has more code written in it than any other language on earth, including Java. This is an interesting anecdotal measurement. Regardless, it's not going anywhere, and so as responsible programmers, we need to know how to maintain it and just know it so we can maybe transition to something else. The first word, going in alphabetical order, is accept. The accept statement in Cobol is a fundamental keyword used for input operations, specifically for reading data from external sources into a Cobol program. This statement is commonly used for obtaining data from systems devices such as keyboards, disk drives, or even network connections, and then assigning that data to a specified data item or field in the program. In Cobol, the accept statement is crucial for enabling user input and data exchange between external devices and the Cobol program. The syntax for using accept typically includes the keyword itself, followed by the target data item or field that will hold the input data, and then the source of that input data. For example, to read user input from the keyboard and store it in a variable called user input, the following Cobol code can be used: accept user input from keyboard. In this example, the accept statement is used to retrieve input from the keyboard and store it in the user input variable. Another common usage of the accept statement is to get system-related information such as the current date and time. For instance, accept current date from date. Here, the accept statement is used to retrieve the current date from the system and store it in the current date variable. In summary, the accept statement in Cobol is a versatile and essential keyword for enabling input operations and data exchange in Cobol programs. It is used to read data from external sources, assign it to a specified data items or fields, and facilitate user interaction or system-related data retrieval in Cobol applications. A funny accidental good feature of Cobol is that since it's mostly based around natural language, I can speak it and you know what to type already. I'm not sitting there talking about square brackets and curly braces and all this stuff if I had to vocalize other languages. It has a kind of wisdom in that. More on the rest of the very large vocabulary of Cobol later. Thank you.